What's up guys, Jesse Norris here today with KAGED Muscle. Today I'm going to go over a few tips for you to eat for strength. Now the first thing is make sure you're eating in excess calories than you burn a day. So make sure you're in a calorie surplus. Tip number 2, I like to eat about 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight. So I'm about 200 pounds, so I eat about 300 grams of protein a day. That's something you might also want to try because protein is going to help you with your recovery. Another tip is carbs are your friend. I eat about 2 grams of carbs per pound, so 500 carbs a day. That's going to give you the energy you need, and also it's also going to help benefit recovery. And the last thing I want to go over is fat. Now I like to train with low fats, naturally occurring fats, just because that's going to help with my physique goals. Now if you don't care, not a problem.